the Octo Elf Ninja Bomber Robber, and his friend Jim.
Oh, my God, pants! I like exploding TVs! I like exploding ACs! I love blowing up tests!
Yes!
I really like exploding billboards!
Yes!
Those were my favorites!
Hello, and welcome to Name That Jim, where you name that Jim who's actually Jim. We start out with our 3 Jims, and you have to guess which Jim is Jim. Let's Jim. I'll give you 10 seconds. Ready, set, go. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. That was a long 10 seconds. Did you pick this Jim? Or was it this Jim? Or even this Jim? If you picked any Jim, then you're wrong, because Jim is a non-existent figure. That's all the time we have, but see you next time on Name That Jim.